Welcome back to my channel that brings you the most exciting, innovative, and luxurious rides from around the world. If you're passionate about adventure vehicles, futuristic designs, and compact campers that redefine travel, you're in the right place. This is your ultimate destination for discovering the latest in mobile living, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into today's star. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most unique and compact adventure vehicles of the future, the 2026 RiverTrail Camper Tricycle. This isn't just a quirky three-wheeler. It's a fully functional, micro-living unit designed for explorers who want to go off-grid without sacrificing comfort or versatility. Whether you're an urban nomad, a minimalist traveler, or just someone who loves clever design, the RiverTrail Camper Tricycle is bound to spark your curiosity. So, what exactly is the RiverTrail, and why is it gaining attention in the camper world? At its core, the RiverTrail is a three-wheeled electric trike fused with a compact, lightweight camper module. Think of it as the perfect blend between a cargo e-trike and a micro RV built for solo adventurers and digital nomads. It's ideal for short-term getaways, off-grid escapes, and city-to-nature transitions, all while staying nimble and eco-friendly. The 2026 RiverTrail boasts a sleek and aerodynamic body made from reinforced lightweight composite materials. This means you get a solid, weather-resistant shell without adding excessive weight, which is crucial for trike-based mobility. The entire frame sits low to the ground for better stability and control, and despite its compact look, the RiverTrail surprises you with its interior space efficiency. But let's talk about what makes the RiverTrail stand out: its camper module. The designers have taken a minimalist approach that doesn't skimp on functionality. When you open the rear hatch or unfold the side panels, you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious micro cabin that fits one adult comfortably, or a cozy two-person setup for close companions. Inside, there's a convertible bed setup that transforms into a compact bench and desk during the day, allowing you to work remotely, eat, or just relax indoors. For those concerned about amenities, the RiverTrail comes surprisingly well equipped. There's an integrated solar charging panel mounted on the roof, which helps extend the battery range and powers onboard electronics. A small but efficient 12V fan and LED lighting system ensures comfort and visibility, even at night. There's also a collapsible kitchenette with a single burner stove, a fold-out sink with a water container system, and clever storage compartments built into the sidewalls. The RiverTrail has adjustable side vents and a pop-up roof panel that allows for airflow while keeping rain and bugs out. The insulation is designed for three-season travel, keeping the cabin warm in chilly conditions and relatively cool during summer rides. Add in blackout window covers, and you've got a private, cozy, and secure shelter anywhere you go. One of the most interesting features is its modularity. The camper module is detachable, meaning you can use the tricycle independently for errands or local rides if needed. When parked, you can stabilize the camper using fold-down leveling legs, giving it a solid, stationary feel even on uneven terrain. This makes it ideal for stealth camping or quick overnights without drawing too much attention. Now let's talk about cargo. The RiverTrail has been built with functionality in mind. Aside from the living space, it includes multiple cargo storage zones perfect for storing gear, food, clothes, and tools. There's even an external bike rack attachment option for carrying an extra bicycle or electric scooter, expanding your mobility once you've set up camp. From a tech perspective, RiverTrail has a digital dashboard that displays battery status, trip data, solar charge intake, and GPS tracking. There's also USB and Type-C ports for charging devices, and a mobile app for remote diagnostics and customization of ride settings. Now, who is this camper trike for? It's ideal for solo travelers, vanlife enthusiasts downsizing to micro-camping, students looking for weekend escapes, or even retirees wanting a lightweight, low-maintenance way to enjoy nature. And because it's technically an electric tricycle, you often don't need a full driver's license to operate it in many regions, making it even more accessible. And let's not forget sustainability. RiverTrail is 100% electric, produces zero emissions during use, and uses recyclable materials for much of its construction. It reflects a growing shift toward eco-conscious adventure travel that's both affordable and functional. With rising fuel costs and urban congestion, solutions like the RiverTrail make more and more sense. Pricing is another strong point. While it's still more expensive than a regular e-trike, it comes in significantly cheaper than a full-size camper van or RV. The estimated starting price for the 2026 RiverTrail Camper Trike is around $9,500, depending on the configuration and optional features like upgraded batteries or solar panels. For what it offers, a rideable, livable, and eco-conscious mini camper, that's a solid value. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the 2026 RiverTrail Camper Tricycle. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. We've got plenty more camper trikes, luxury vans, and off-road beasts coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and ride into the future one wheel at a time.